Right, guys, so we're out today with Pa-28 from *dMb Collection, one of the best showrooms with super sports cars. So if you ever want to come down to Leeds East Airport, this is your place to come down to. So today we're in the Golf Bravo Oscar Yankee India, which is a Pa-28. Just going to go out for a short flight. It's an absolutely beautiful day to do it. So you can actually see there's literally not a single cloud in there in the sky.
Lovely today, fantastic.
So we're just going to go out over towards Doncaster Airport, which now is the disused airport. It's been shut, unfortunately, but it allows us to fly over it. So we'll fly down there and sort of work our way back towards Leeds East Airport again. So enjoy the video.
Very good.
Stop leveling 16,000.